Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make bacon-wrapped scallops with a lemon garlic butter sauce. This is a really fast and easy recipe. To get started, clean and pat dry the scallops with a paper towel. I'm using a pack with 35 small scallops. Now get out your bacon. Because my scallops are on the smaller side, I'm cutting the bacon in half and then half again. If you're working with large scallops, you may only need to cut the strip in half. I want the bacon flavor to be there, but I don't want it to overpower the flavor from the scallops. Now wrap each scallop in the bacon and secure the end with a toothpick. Place on a lined baking tray evenly spaced. For the lemon garlic butter, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and add 1 minced garlic clove, half a teaspoon of lemon pepper, and 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley. Give it a stir and brush onto each bacon-wrapped scallop. This will add some intense lemon garlic flavor to the scallops when they are done. Now bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the bacon is crispy. And that's it! Serve them on a platter and sprinkle on fresh parsley for garnish. You can also squeeze on some extra lemon juice if you like. These bacon-wrapped scallops are full of flavor. I know everyone will love these. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!